All right. So we're on the 5 minute. Let me go down to 1 minute. All right. So on 1 minute. So if I go to perps, you see I got 171 in here. So there's 171 on my Gdex.Pro USDC balance. So I'm gonna move this to Hyperliquid. Deposit successful. I'll take a couple of seconds. Once that's done, you go to Hyperliquid trade. All right, sure. Now also there's an option up here. Share my trading. I copy that. I'll put that in the chat and tag it. You see that? So I'll put the tag, I'll put the link there. I'm gonna pin that message. So that message is pinned. So now you see that 171 is sitting there. So now I'm gonna go back to my chart, Hyperliquid. All right. So now I'm gonna go here. Bitcoin long. I'm gonna put an entry in. You see I got 171. It's a 40x. Just gonna place it to see. Now we've got the entry in. You see that there's 168 margin. Because I did a 40x, the position value is 67.30. So I'm gonna let that run. I'm gonna do another session. But on this wallet here, if we go to perps and you go to stats, you can see on this wallet, I traded $18,000, almost $19,000. My ROI is $75, or the P&L, I should say. Return on investment is 0.4. The one thing I want to show you is them wins and losses are fantastic. 18 trades, 18 wins. Fantastic. Numbers don't lie. On this session, I was actually trading agents. Let me see if I can show you another wallet for a little more volume. Bear with me here. Right now, I'm just trying to see if I can find me a wallet, because I did have a wallet with a lot of activity on it when I was testing agents. Give me a second here. right, so now I'm going to show you an agent wallet. So now you see a wallet I was working with, testing with the agent on. So you can see there's 489,000 deployed on this one. RI is negative 0.21. I've lost $1,000 on 489,000 while I was testing agents. So not only do we share wins, we also share losses as well. Now let's see here. So going back to Gdex.Pro, let's go to the home page. Let's go through some navigation here. So here on Gdex.Pro is the home page. And you can say loan chat here. So just going through here. Depending on the chain you're on, you can go over here on the right-hand side. And you can see we're on multiple chains: Solana, Ethereum, Optimism, Binance, Sonic, Fractal, Nibiru, Base, Arbitrum, Verichain, and Sui. You can trade on any one of these chains, fully operational. There's Solana, there's ETH. I'm also curious about the activity. Optimism, Binance, Sonic. Stuff popping on Sonic, surprising. Fractal. Nibiru's dead, as you can see. Let me see. There's Base. Base should be popping. Verichain. I don't know. What's the market cap on this damn? What's the liquidity looking like on Verichain? Shit gotta be dead. It's gotta be dead. Gotta be dead. Damn, it still ain't got shit. All right. Let's discover. Let's go to trenches before we go to portfolio. I'm curious about what the trenches look like. What the trenches look like. Let's see what. Oh, Nicofun. Interesting. Let's check out this nigga fun. Let's check out this scam. Let's Let's check out this Skizam. Oh, nigga fun. See if this is dead. I think this might be his head. Oh boy. Looks like bots took care of that one. There's a body like a motherfucker. Let's see what we can do in the trenches. See what we can do in the trenches. All right, that's the trenches. Little discover. You had your portfolio. Now you can copy trade me. You can copy trade me on Hyperliquid or on Solana. Let's see here. And also bridge. You see all the bridges I've done. And you have X stocks, and we also have oil. Let me see here, perps, hyperliquid trade. Bitcoin raising like a mother. Anyway, let me look at oil. This market is looking horrid. Damn, pup's down 7%. It's crap. There's your stocks. You got Tesla, Nvidia. Oh, decent leverage too. Very nice. Gold at 25x. Oh, silver. Interesting.